Hi, I'm Andrea Lilienfeld.
And I'm Julie Jarmiolowski. We're with the K Grant Group and my home group here in Scottsdale. And we're so excited to be back in Village Grove to show you this lovely home that just recently came on the market.
I can't believe in this house they have figured out a way to have 6 bedrooms.
It's amazing. We're going to take you on a quick little tour and you'll be able to see how they converted a garage and additional rooms to make this a 6-bedroom, as Andrea said, with 4.5 baths.
So come with us and we'll show you a few of the highlights and the things we love most about this property.
What did you think?
We can't wait to hear what your thoughts are and what your favorite things are. If you want to see a complete tour of this home or you want to tour any homes for sale, please contact us. We'd love to help.
We would. Julie with the K Grant Group.
And Andrea with the K Grant Group. We hope to hear from you soon.